Jai Hind everyone, I'm Akriti Kant and I'm really grateful to all the jury members who have given me this opportunity to come on the stage and brief about the global importance of United Nations. The United Nations was established in 1945 after the devastation of World War II with the aim of maintaining international peace and cooperation amongst the nations. Today, it has 193 member states, making it a truly global body. The United Nations has played a vital role in maintaining peace. For example, countries like South Sudan have been helped by the UN in stabilizing the nation, thus preventing further violence. Not just this, it also promotes the human rights by the United Nations Human Rights Council and in the humanitarian aid with the agencies like UNICEF and WHO, which has played a quite crucial role during the COVID-19 pandemic by providing vaccines, medical supports, and awareness across the globe. But despite these achievements, UN has several limitations. One major issue is the veto power in the Security Council. For instance, during the Syrian civil war, the repeated use of veto power blocked the decisive actions, prolonging the crisis. Similarly, in the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, the Russia-Ukraine war, the UN has struggled to take strong actions just because of the political biasness. Another major issue is the slow actions and the lack of reinforcement. Lack of reinforcement. To, but these challenges can be addressed. We can limit the Security Council by limiting the veto power can lead to a fairer decision. Moreover, giving more representation to the developing nations will make UN more inclusive, and improving the accountability and transparency could reduce the political biasness. In conclusion, UN is not perfect but is indispensable. Rather than weakening it, the world must focus on reforming it because a stronger UN is more important and essential for the more stable and peaceful world. Thank you.